Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kyle Chartbully, back with another video. Hope everybody's doing well as usual. Hope we had a profitable trading day today. This is going to be the analysis for 421. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to it. So I'm gonna start here on the daily on gold. Gold is been bullish for a while now. So we just been creeping up with some minor retracements, making some support, moving up. I'm not showing any signs of stopping. I love the way this daily candle finished right here. And on top of that, we're forming a nice swing pattern right here as well. So lower high on the left, lower high on the right. And we're inching up towards this zone right here at 1815.16. So yeah, we're looking good. We're looking bullish on the daily. So yeah, just keep on looking for buys, go with the trend, and don't be too cute with it. Let's go on the H1 here. So you can see here, like I said, just minor retracements. So nice support right here. Go up, 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 lower high, lower high, lower high, higher high, higher high, higher high. So market structure wise, this is looking great. We have our target, like I said, at the 1815. So we're going to be looking for that. If we go to the M15, let's go ahead and get our fib tool out. And we're going to go from the low to the high. All right. So we got that here. Excuse me. For it to still hold structure, if we zoom out, it can definitely come. It can come to the buy zone or the low risk buy zone. That'd be fine with me. But the way the daily finished, this might just zoom up. It might not even give us a retracement. But if we do get a move out of the Asia box right here into one of these areas, like I said, the buy zone, low risk buy zone, definitely take it. Stop loss here on F15. Just put that underneath here. Maybe a few pips under just to be safe. And then you're definitely going to target yesterday's high as your TP1. And then, like I said, you're going to target, I would just hold for here. So, yep, just look for buys and we should be good to go on gold. EU has been my favorite girl. Still moving up. We do have somewhat a swing pattern forming on the downside, but I'm not buying it just because this bullish candle here was so strong and this retracement came down, and then the way it finished in the day just tells me that it's still a lot of buying power. So but I don't have any zones right here. So next one I'll be targeting is right here, and let me see here. We could do, I mean, it's all subjective, but I like this area right here. So I'm just gonna go top of here, and let's do that underneath here. All right, so that's our zones I'm gonna make, and I'm gonna make the next target at 1.21108. Doesn't mean we're gonna get there, in 1 day or 2 days, but that's gonna be the target until proven otherwise, of course. So H1, it is moving up. Like I said, bullish candles. This has been just going up the whole entire month. We did have a retracement here, and I was worried this is going to be like a market structure shift as well. I think I said that on Tuesday, but we came down here and just moved straight back up. So it would have to get underneath like this point here for me to consider it bearish. So I'm gonna target this for tomorrow. This is gonna be the high I'm gonna target for tomorrow. And we go to the M15. Like I said, this is gonna be our target right here for tomorrow. And I'm just gonna draw a nice, I'll just do it for where we're at right now. So that makes sense. So we get down here, equilibrium buy zone area. As long as it doesn't like blow through this and all the way down, we should be good. If it stays in this area, like a minor retracement in the equilibrium, that'd be nice, and to move up, then we can take a buy and like I said, target here. So remember, when you're doing these targets too, it's okay to take partial profits along the way. You don't have to hold for the entire target. I don't hold for the entire target probably 70% of the time. Usually I take profit early, or I take 80% off and then let the rest run and set the break even and just see what happens. So that's it for EU and gold. Let's see what else we can pick. Let's see if we can pick something else, just because I feel like it. I haven't done GU in a while, so let's load this up. All right, what we got on GU? What do I see here? Okay, let's get our zones right. All right, so right now what I see is big push up and then a retracement. Not really a swing pattern yet. I'm still assuming this is going to be bullish. If we got like to this area with these wicks, then I would consider it maybe being bearish, but looking at the daily still looks very bullish to me. H1 wise, we got a nice peak right here, so this could be a move down. This could be a market structure shift here if we don't get a higher high tomorrow. So if it just peels off and drops and negates this whole pricing balance right here, you can see off this order block right here. If you don't know what that is, the order block is just the move before, it's just a candle before a huge run up or a run down. That's pretty much the simplest way to say it. So if it comes all the way down here, then I might be considering it bearish, but for right now, still would say it's bullish. Let's go to M15, and I'm just do some low to the high. The current high, why not? Let's do it right here. So this is a nice fast down, fast up move. That's a bullish characteristic for moves. So it might just trap people right here on this V spike. And if we get down here tomorrow, it could come like right here, maybe to the low risk and then move up. But I'm still definitely looking bullish to me, and we will target here. So, but if it runs past all of this, obviously just trade what you see. Like I always tell you, if it negates your bias, there's no point looking for bias if you see red candle after red candle after red candle pain, you know. So just use your eyes, use your intuition, use your trader's intuition. It's not always going to go your way, so just be flexible to some degree. All right, well, that's going to be it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I would appreciate if you leave a subscribe, leave a like, dislike if you don't like it, leave a comment, just interact somehow, so I know what to gauge and what to do. But besides that, hope everybody has a great day tomorrow. Be safe out here. World is getting crazy, times are getting crazy, but you know, keep your head on straight, stay safe, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.